Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little different. Instead of chasing the sunshine, I thought I will bring you along for a relaxing walk through Adelaide's inner suburb on this rainy day. There's something really peaceful about Adelaide when it rains. The street becomes quieter, the trees look green and yellow, and everything just feels a little slower. One thing I really like about Adelaide inner suburbs is how every street has its own personality. You will find beautiful character homes, corners, and plenty of greenery. Even though it's raining, you will still see people traveling around, and sound of traveling car in a wet road is just amazing to listen. The rain hitting the leaves, car passing by, and birds still singing in the background, it's surprisingly calming. Sometimes we all get caught up in our busy lives, and it's nice to slow down and appreciate moments like this. I always enjoy exploring different parts of Adelaide because there's always something new to discover. It doesn't have to be a famous tourist attraction. Sometimes the ordinary street have the most charm. If you are visiting Adelaide, don't be afraid to wander through the neighborhoods. You might find your favorite cafe, a beautiful park, or just a quiet street that's just perfect for a walk. Rainy days may not be for everyone, but I think they have their own kind of beauty. I hope this short walk help you relax, even if it was just for a few minutes. If you enjoyed coming along with me, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments where you'd like me to explore next around Adelaide. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next adventure. Stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day.